There were two questions from the quiz that gave people problems, so I want to look at both in more detail. Here was the first question that tripped a lot of people up. Suppose that E1 has type bool and E2 has type bool. What type would the ML expression E1 plus E2 have? There are two ways to approach this problem. One way is the eliminate the wrong answers approach. We know that if you add two things of one type, the result is the same type. So if we add two bools, you aren't going to get an int or a string. We also know that an addition expression returns int, so the answer can't be a boolean. The other approach is to use the syntax rule for addition. In ML, the syntax for addition requires E1 and E2 to be of type int, so we know this expression won't type check. Here's the second question that tripped people up. What's the type of E1 in the following ML expression? The first thing you need to do is recognize that this is a less than comparison. Since you don't know anything about E2 or E3, you have to assume those are correct. Since we know this is a less than expression, and that returns either true or false, and those are Boolean values, we know the entire type of E1 must be Boolean.